Hi guys. So we close. Ako sa isirado ang putahan. Hi guys, for today's video, I will show you where kami kumukuha ng water or yung source of water namin dito. Pasensya na yung boses the way I talk. Hindi kasi ako masyadong marunong magtagalog, lalo na sa English. Basta magkaintindihan yun na yun. Okay, so let's go there. I'm with my daughter, Bella. Umiyak kasi siya. So here, be renting house here. Guys, so this is the water we fetch. So here, nothing. Just continue.
Hey, do it, dress.
Ito po yung ginagawa. Hindi man ko kabalo magtagalog.
Yeah, dress.
No problem. This is my friend. She's my friend, guys. She's Irene. Her name is Irene. She helped me a lot, you know. She fetch water. You see, this is our source of water here. You see? Very malalim siya. Maybe nasa 9 meters yung lalim. And yun, ganyan guys, ipol mo yan. Kung sa atin, yung pump, bomba. But dito, ganyan. Meron atang bomba din, pero usually, ganyan dito eh. Ipupol mo lang. Yan po yung source of water namin. So, water is free. Right? Water is free. She helped me, and then she helped me wash the cloth. Her child. That Irene work here. She's not working every day, guys. We just I will call. Tatawagin ko lang siya. Sakto ba yung ano ko? I will call here, guys, to fetch me water like that, so that she has also money. And then I help also here. She help also me. Right? You're okay?
I'm okay.
Yeah, say hi. Hi, Bella is crying. I thought she sleep when I move to come out. Pag mainit, guys, dito lang kami ni baby. Dito lang kami ni baby magpapahangin. It's here. What time, no? Yung baby ko, akala ko natutulog. Yun pala, hindi. Umiiyak. Pag umiiyak siya, dito kami magpapahangin sa labas. Irene. Rita! How are you, Rita? She feels sleepy. Nagpapalaba kami, guys. Sometimes ako maglalaba. Not sometimes. Sometimes mapapalaba ka mo. Huh? Yung water naman, yung naubusan kami ng tubig, tawagin ko lang si Irene to fetch me water. Mag-fetch naman ako guys pag maubusan, pag wala siya. Pero pag mag-fetch ako ng tatlong containers, masakit na yung katawan ko. Masakit na yung likuran ko. Why? 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 Because my husband is busy. Sometimes like Sunday, when he's not working, he fetch the gallons. Ito lang kasi yung malapit na rintahan namin eh. At saka mura din. So dito na lang para makasave kami. So here guys, wala pang water district. Oh, there is a foreigner here. So riding a boda-boda. Ngani. You feel sleepy. I saw in your eyes. Because of ugali you. Because you eat a lot like this. You want to sleep.
Yeah, I want to sleep because of that. Never give me that one again.
There's more water there.
Yeah, the water is there.
Because it's raining. It was rain, right? Bam, 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 bam. Bugat mang kabila. Oy, my baby is heavy. She's 8.5 kg now.
I'm working hard here now.
I need tripod. I don't touch Bella. You destroy my camera, Bella. You put water so that it will come out. Rita is putting pigs inside.
Where's the other peg?
Pigs is not enough.
This small.
I will get inside.
It's okay.
Or urines here. Use this. I will get the red basin. I mean bucket. Sit down here, Rita. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down here. Okay. Yeah, sit down. How to say sit down in your language? Eh? Bed? Bed? Ay, it's hard. Kachini.
Kiswahili.
Kiswahili. Kachini. Hi guys, dito lang kami sa kiliran ni Bibi umuupo. Sa may kilid. Ito po yung source of water namin dito guys. Yung Poling Bera-Bera ba? Poling. Wala pa ako nakikitang bomba dito. Yung pump na iganon lang. Wala. Ganito siya. Ganito siya usually nakikita ko. Then meron din yung flowing. Mahirap water dito pag wala kang ganito. Wala kang deep well. Kasi hindi pa improve yung ano nila eh. Hindi pa improve yung pag sa city naman pag sa city naman off and on yung gripo. Pag dito sa may malayo sa city, ito ganito. The good thing is we're renting here where kanang malapit lang yung deep well. I mean, na-assure siya ikaw galing yung deep well diri sa among girintahan. Doon ra magod siya sa gitrabahuan sa akong asawa guys. Maunang then barato ra po siya. I thought you give birth. I thought you give birth. Nagka-problema ako guys sa tripod kong maliit. Yung buhay namin dito guys, my husband, di naman sila mayaman, hindi naman din ako mayaman. So, we live happily and naningkamot lang gihapon guys. So, help each other. Ganyan naman, dahil gusto natin mag-asawa, gagawin lahat. Wala naman akong problema sa asawa ko. Siya may problema sa akin. Joke lang. Baby, your face is not good. You put cream again, okay? Iwan ko dito guys, sa kanila guys no, yung maglalabas sila, yung anak lang ba, hindi sila mag-ingkod, hindi sila uupo. Kaya pag ganyan ako maglalaba pareha sa iya, nako, masakit yung likuran, back pain too much. Ano kasi sila kanang nasanay na sila na ganyan. Kaya nasanay yung likuran nila, kaya strong yung likuran nila. Strong. Not like us. Not strong. Kapoy na. Pahilot na. Nag-ask naman ako ng permission sa kanya if okay lang pa ako na ganyan, mag-vlog tayo. Okay lang. Yun, masaya naman siya. Yung water namin dito is free. So, asan ka pa? Free. Makakaluto ka, makakaligo, makakalaba. Yun naman ang importante, di ba? So, hindi ka na ma-stress na magbabayad. Very dito is very like fresh, organic, guys. Pasensya na guys, kasi hindi kasi ako sanay mag-talk, like mag-vlogging. So, but I try my best. Bigla, else nito. Try my best guys to share my life here, my very very simple life. Buhi lang gihapon. Yan lamang.